The Singer Model 15, also known as the Tank. Just like any other sewing machine, you need two cords, the upper and the lower thread. You have to wind a bobbin first. The majority has this type of bobbin. Do you have a very early Model 15? Watch the tutorial on the Model 27, 127, 28, 128 and return where you left off. And that's here. Place the bobbin on the bobbin winder pin in the slot. Push it towards the machine so that the rubber wheel makes contact with the balance wheel. Hold the thread tight while you start spinning. Some machines have a spring release. When the bobbin is full, it releases the unit. Stop before that. Press this little lever. Place the bobbin holder in your left hand, opening towards you with the cord winding counterclockwise and your thumb pressing firmly. Pull the thread through the groove until it reaches the hole. Put this into the race underneath and release the bobbin holder lever only when it sits in. Pull the upper thread through this on the rear of the machine. Go down. Thread gently leaning against the two tension discs, rear to front. Make a loop over this metal. Then underneath the spring. There are many different variations, all look somewhat identical. Don't be alarmed when you have another Singer Model 15. Up through the hole of this arm and back down again. Slide the thread behind the first hook, through the hook just above the needle, and last but not least, pull the thread through the needle outside to the inside. The position of the last hook indicates the starting position of the thread through the needle. The needle has to be inserted with the flat side facing outside. You've done that already, right? Pull the bottom thread up and start sewing. Again, there are many variations. The version where you can sew backwards has the needle and the thread backwards. Keep an eye on the last hook and when in doubt, remove the needle clamp and have a look.